Hello, I'm Sankalp S. In this video, we're going to learn about Mac OS X. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on Mac OS X operating system. With its great features and beautiful design, Mac OS X is a top choice for users worldwide. Today, we will be exploring the ins and outs of this essential component of your computer system. Whether you are seasoned Mac user or just getting started, understanding how your operating system works is crucial to getting know the most out of your device. In this presentation, we will cover everything from basics of what an operating system is to the unique features of Mac OS X stand out from other systems. We'll also provide tips and tricks for using Mac OS X effectively and troubleshooting common problems. By the end, you will have comprehensive understanding of how your computer operates and be able to take advantage of all amazing features that Mac OS has to offer. So before getting into the detail of Mac OS X, let's have an overview of operating system. An operating system is software that manages hardware and software resources and provides common services of computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between the users of the computer hardware, making it easier for the users to interact with the computer. Examples of popular operating systems include Windows, Linux, in addition to macOS. Windows. As you can see, Windows developed by Microsoft. Windows has a large market share and is available on many devices. It is a user-friendly interface and widely used in corporate world. Linux, a free and open source operating system. Linux is known for its security and stability. It is popular in web servers and the open source community. So let's get started with the introduction to Mac OS. Mac OS X was introduced in 2001. Mac OS X is a Unix-based operating system developed by Apple. It is known for its stability, security, and usability. We are going to cover three main major topics in this session. One, the release history, the interface, apps and services. Mac OS X is a widely adopted operating system within the field of computer science engineering. This card provides an in-depth exploration of Mac OS X's architecture, features, strengths, weaknesses in the context of computer science engineering applications. Architecture. Mac OS X is a hybrid operating system that combines the flexibility of Unix-based system with the user-friendliness of the Macintosh GUI. Its architecture is designed to provide users with reliable, efficient, and secure computing environment. Features of Mac OS X are it offers an extensive feature set that makes it an excellent choice for computer science engineering. Its built-in development tools, support for multiple programming languages, and robust live system are just few examples of its capabilities. Strengths. It, it is recognized for its reliability, user-friendliness, and powerful hardware. Its high-level customizability makes it an ideal choice for developers who want to create custom applications and tools that meet their unique needs. Some weaknesses of macOS 10. Though macOS 10 is a powerful operating system, it does have some limitations. One noteworthy challenge of computer science engineering is compatibility with certain software and hardware that is not supported by an operating system. Additionally, some users may find macOS 10 has a steeper learning curve than other operating systems. History of Mac OS X development. Mac OS X has a rich history dating back to 1984 when Apple introduced its first Macintosh computer. Over the years, Apple has redefined the Mac OS operating system to keep pace with evolving computer technology. Classic Mac OS, the first version of Mac operating system, was introduced in 1984 and remained in use until 2001. This version is known as Classic Mac OS and it was based on a command line interface. The next thing introduced was Mac OS X, which was begun in 2000 and it was released in 2001. Its Unix foundation provides greater power to users and Aqua Face distinguish it from other operating systems. The Mac OS latest iteration, Mac OS introduced in 2016. It includes features like Siri and improved integration with other Apple devices. The evolution of Mac OS X. Mac OS X, the operating system of Apple's Macintosh computers, has gone through several major updates and changes since its initial release in 2001. The first version of Mac OS X, code-named Cheetah, was introduced a new user interface and improved stability compared to previous versions of Mac operating system. Subsequent releases, including Puma, Jaguar, Panther, Tiger, Leopard, etc., till currently the latest Catalina brought additional features and improvements such as faster performance, better security, and enhanced capability with other devices and softwares. So let us discuss some notable versions of Mac OS X, which was released back in the day. Mac OS 10.0 Cheetah, released in March 2001, Mac OS X 10.0 Cheetah was the first version of Mac OS X. It featured a new user interface and was built on a Unix-based foundation. Mac OS 10.1 Puma. It was released in September 2001. It introduced several new features, including improved performance and support for CD burning. Next is the 10.2 Jaguar, which was released in August 2002, introduced several features including support for Windows file sharing and ability to burn DVDs. After Jaguar Panther was introduced in October 2003, um, it was introduced with several new features, including support for Expose and File Vault, as well as improved to Finder and Mail applications. Features of Mac OS X. One of the key features that make Mac OS X unique is its user interface. The operating system has a sleek and modern design that is easy to navigate. The dock, which sits at the bottom of the screen, provides quick access and frequently used applications. User can also customize the desktop with widgets and gadgets to suit their individual preferences. Another important feature of Mac OS X is its security. The operating system comes with built-in antivirus software and firewall to protect against malware and other threats. Users can also set up password protected accounts to prevent unauthorized keys access to their files and data. Advantages of using Mac OS X. With its user-friendly interface and rich set of features, Mac OS X offers several advantages over other operating systems. Built-in Apple applications, services, and support. High-quality hardware and design. Frequent updates and bug fixes. Built-in virus protection. Support for iOS integration and continuity. Its sleek and modern design that emphasizes simplicity and ease of use with intuitive icons, streamlined interface is easy to get started with Mac OS. Integrated software and hardware. The tight integration between Mac OS X and Mac hardware ensures that both software and the hardware work seamlessly together. Customer support. Apple provides an unparalleled level of customer support for Mac OS users, from the Apple support website to the Genius Bar at the retail stores. There are many ways to get help and answers you need from them. Using macOS 10. Customizing your macOS can be a great way to make it feel more personal and tailored to your needs. You can change the wallpaper and widgets to your desktop and adjust the settings to suit your preferences. By taking advantage of this customized option, you can make your Mac OS X experience more enjoyable and efficient. If you run into problems with Mac OS X, there are few common troubleshooting techniques that you can try before seeking out for help. For example, you can restart your computer, check the software updates, or reset the SMC system management controller. Knowing how to troubleshoot common issues can save your time and frustration in long run. Finally, there are many lesser known features of Mac OS X that can be incredibly useful once you learn about them. For example, you can use the Spotlight to quickly search for files on a computer or use the built in activity monitor to monitor system performance. Taking advantages of these features can help you get more out of macOS 10 experience. We have learned that macOS 10 is a unique and powerful operating system that offers many features and benefits to its users. We have explored the history and evolution of macOS 10, discussed its key features, and provide tips and tricks for using it effectively. It is important to know about operating system for macOS 10 because they are essential to understanding how computer works and how to use it efficiently. By mastering the operating system, you can improve your productivity and get more out of your computer. We encourage you to explore macOS 10 further and take advantages of all features it has to offer. There are many resources available online to help you learn more about the operating system and become an expert user. With practice and patience, you can become master of macOS 10 and achieve great things with your computer. Thank you.